Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we're making crunchy broccoli and walnut salad. I like to serve this with a nice fat juicy steak. Fam, my videos are short, so please watch the video all the way through. It helps a lot. Okay, let's do what we do and make it happen. We're going to start off by slicing some green onions. We're going to be using the tops and the bottoms in our broccoli salad. It'll add a hint of onion flavor without making the salad all about onion, if you know what I mean. Next, we're going to make our salad dressing. We have a little zip top bag that we're putting in a cup. We're going to start off with sugar. Then seasoned rice vinegar. Finally, a neutral oil like I'm using right now, vegetable oil. Then we'll zip up the bag and shake like crazy. We have sunflower seeds, walnuts, raisins, and crispy bacon that we're going to break up into little bits. Each ingredient brings something to the party: sun, crunchiness, a little sweetness, a bit of savory, and a hint of saltiness. Now we have some fresh, raw broccoli here. Only the florets for this one, guys. You can cut the ones that are too big or break them up with your fingers into bite-sized pieces. Next, we're adding the raisins. If you don't like raisins, you can use dried blueberries or cranberries. We're adding those green onions we sliced earlier. We're pouring our salad dressing over our salad. We're going to take our nice clean hands and gently work the dressing into the broccoli, raisins, and green onions, just like so. Now for the goodies. Sunflower seeds, bacon, and walnuts go into the bowl. We're giving it a final little mix. And a little taste. We're adding it to a serving bowl. For this and other fine recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Also, tap that notification bell and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. That's all for this time. See you next time. Chef Kendra's out. Peace.